of treating IT as a cost to business, as an essential service to their fabric, has changed. The expectations go beyond provisioning ERP or CRM systems and maintaining them. Most of the businesses today are centered around the end customer, like pill to patient in life sciences. The disruption of digital is clear. To answer to this, we see an urge to leverage new technologies. Due to this, eventually the business started seeing IT systems as a face for delivering the services. This imposes two challenges on IT organizations. On the one hand, customers, suppliers, business partners, and even their employees are expecting fit-for-purpose systems, faster time to market, new technology skills, high quality of service, and always available service 24/7. On the other hand, the cloud, virtualization, and digital technologies have provided the ability for IT environments to be fast-paced and to be less complex. ADMnext is a comprehensive portfolio of automation-enabled services, new services but built on decades of our experience and expertise. In a nutshell, ADMnext targets to deliver uninterrupted business excellence to our customers. We have brought together a palette of solutions that reaches across the full stack of IT and helps our customers to go beyond operational excellence and cost effectiveness. Our prime focus is to increase the value delivered to business from the application landscape. Our business-focused services enable business process performance, efficiency, competitiveness, and also brings in the insights. It's important to recognize that when we talk about the results, we talk about business results. ADMnext provides business-focused services. We have designed it to deliver value and insights. We do this by using digital service integration and management on top of our acclaimed Business Command Center (BCC). These services are underpinned by our foundation services, the most common ask in any of the ADM deals, starting right from transition up to projects across infrastructure and applications. What does it mean for our customers? Well, it means substantial cost savings, which are also sustainable, faster time to market, better end user experience, increased competitiveness, and finally, an accelerated path for the transformation. We see our ADMnext engagements as a foundation to build long-term relationship with our customers by supporting them in the transformation journey as a partner. This is our conviction. Our approach is end-to-end, cutting across the layers of IT, and is aimed at elevating the customer experience and uplifting the business value, all while demonstrating our cost effectiveness, transformation abilities, and agility.